Hello, and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So VeChain, as you can clearly see, is still holding the upper micro support area. And with that, it's still holding a potential 1-2 setup. It's a 1-2 setup I don't really trust because we are holding currently within a corrective price channel. And I would see this as an entire support area, to be honest. We have an upper micro support and we have a lower support area. We know that below the 3.3 cent level, it's going to get very difficult for the bulls to recover this thing because that would be a break below, the golden ratio level. And that's normally too deep for a fourth wave. So the situation remains still, you could say, unchanged, because the problem is here on this chart that we haven't got a confirmation yet that a low is in, but the price is now testing Fibonacci support. Today, we saw a little bit of downside again. The market is in a correction since the 3rd of December, at least VeChain is. A lot of other cryptocurrencies are as well. We're holding in a corrective price channel in the upper section, however. So price could technically try to break out at any point. It doesn't need to move from the lower boundary to the upper boundary. We're already there and we're holding Fibonacci support. So there should be a decision in the next few days if the market's trying a breakout to the upside or not. We have this pattern on several crypto charts, this potential 1-2 setup. But we might also see one more low. For me, the 3.3 cent level is really the key support here. And then as long as we're holding that, we can watch for higher prices. In the very short term, though, there is one possibility for the market to turn around and move up from here. So I'm watching for either a reaction here and a rally, or in case lower support is tested, then from here. And the next support is at 4.28 cents. We bounced off that level today. And then 4.09 cents, so pretty much the 4.1 cent level. Below that level, it is very likely that the yellow 1-2 setup is going to be invalidated. What level is that? Well, the 1-2 setup, it is the setup, the structure from where a recovery, an immediate recovery, a rally to the upside would be possible. We always need a setup, right? It doesn't need to play out. I mean, there's no guarantee, but there is a chance. Yeah, that's all we have. There's a potential. And yeah, I mean, all I can say is we are in a support area, in a micro support area. This is now where the bulls need to turn up to keep this wave count alive. This is one potential. And if we see a break below 4.09 cents, we're likely in the white count, which then allows for an extension of wave 4. That wave 4 would essentially sit here, yeah, and then we will have to see how the market reacts to the lower support region. Either way, without a break above the upper boundary line of the price channel, and I want to talk, I'm talking about a breakout that sticks, not something like this here where we break down immediately. So we need that with volume and a break above these previous highs, and then the third wave should get to a certain level. I mean, I'm not putting fib extensions on the chart at the moment because we haven't got a low in place, or I would have to move it all the time and people get confused. But, when we have a low in place, then we can talk about targets. All I can say at the moment is if this last low from today sticks, which I don't have any evidence, reaction is too weak, then the third wave should take us to the 138% extension at least. Here we talk about 6.3 cents plus. Then we want a wave 4 and we want a wave 5, which should take us at least to 6.8 cents. And only then we really have a solid 5-wave move up from the low. That doesn't mean you buy after 5 waves, but that would be, from a chart point of view, the confirmation, the first solid confirmation we've seen a low here. There are further indications along the way, like, as I said, a breakout above the upper boundary line of the channel. For now, we need to remain patient. It is quite a simple chart at the moment. I don't trust the 1-2 setup, but I have to show it. Okay, so that is a possibility for the market to turn around. One more low, definitely still possible, but then below 3.3 cents, my bullish scenario I will have to question the validity of my scenario, which suggests that we are in a corrective pullback in a wave 4. Okay, but that's only needed below 3.3 cents. Either way, there is currently no indication a low is in place. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.